What if I told you there's a fish that can shoot water like a sniper to knock down its prey? Meet the archerfish, a master hunter found in mangrove swamps and rivers. Instead of chasing insects, this clever fish uses its mouth like a water gun. It carefully aims and shoots a powerful jet of water to knock insects off leaves and branches above the water. What's even more amazing is that archerfish can adjust their aim to account for light refraction, meaning they correct how water bends light. In nature, some hunters don't need claws or teeth. Sometimes, perfect aim is the deadliest weapon.